All right, you guys, example number 3 now. Let's look at what we're talking about here. So we are now dealing with solving for measurement angle D. So let's mark our D here. And from the previous thing that we figured out that we knew that, and also from the given information, is that we know that angle B is equal to 32 degrees. And from the rules that we talked about in the video and also in the examples, not necessarily examples, but the rules, is that in that thing that we know that opposite angles in a parallelogram are going to be equal. So that means angle B is going to be congruent to angle D. So if that's the case, then that means angle D is going to be equal to what? 32 degrees. Really simple. And remember again, as we go through all this process here, all this the blue here, that we remember in the previous example we talked about this one being 148, meaning that these two together are supplementary. That means opposite angles on this side. That means angle A, and I'm going to see if I'm getting a little ahead of myself here or not. I don't know what happened there on that screen. Yeah, on that. So that means that we can sit there and say that this angle A over here is also going to be 148. And then what we learned from the last thing is that all four angles are all going to be, because it's a quadrilateral, equal to 360 degrees. That's just a little bit of review of what we talked about in 6.1. All right, you guys, let's have a good one. And if you have any questions, just let me know.